A year of financial wisdom, lessons from 40 books on money and investing. Over the past year, I've embarked on a journey of exploration and learning, reading 40 of the best-selling books on personal finance, money management, and investing. My ultimate goal? To uncover the core principles and strategies that distinguish top investors, succeed in the stock market, and maximize the financial opportunities available to me. Through this process, I've tackled a wide variety of topics, from the foundational principles of personal finance to intricate details of investing in diverse types of assets. I've explored the history and intricacies of index funds, the mindset needed for financial success, and even the psychological aspects of wealth building. At the outset, I was brimming with enthusiasm, envisioning that absorbing the knowledge from these books would transform me into a skilled investor, perhaps someone akin to legends like Peter Lynch, Warren Buffett, or Howard Marks. I imagined I'd master the stock market, accumulate wealth at an accelerated pace, and retire early to live the life of my dreams. However, the reality of what I learned was far different from my initial expectations. It challenged and reshaped my entire perspective on money, success, and wealth creation. I began with the classics, diving into Amazon's bestsellers and online recommendations with the eager mindset of a novice. One of the most notable books I encountered was Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad. This iconic book, having sold over 40 million copies, is a staple for anyone starting their financial education. It contrasts the financial mindsets of two dads, one wealthy and one not, to simplify and highlight key wealth-building concepts. The central takeaway is straightforward yet impactful: prioritize acquiring income-generating assets over liabilities. While the advice might sound rudimentary, it underscores why pursuing flashy, non-essential purchases often leads to financial instability, whereas investments in appreciating assets pave the way for sustainable wealth. For its practical insights and accessibility, this book undoubtedly earns its place as a foundational read. Another classic in this genre, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, offers a different flavor of financial advice, focusing on the mindset and determination needed to succeed. Hill claimed to have distilled success principles from interviews with Andrew Carnegie and other icons of the early 20th century. While the emphasis on positivity and persistence is timeless, I found much of the guidance vague and less actionable. Additionally, controversies surrounding Hill's claims about the origins of his lessons cast a shadow on its credibility. Although it remains a bestseller with historical significance, it wasn't a personal favorite. One of the standout books from my journey was Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money. Housel masterfully delves into how our emotions, behaviors, and life experiences shape financial decision-making. A key lesson that resonated deeply with me is the idea that true financial success lies in controlling your time. The ultimate reward of wealth is the freedom it affords to choose how you spend your time and whom you spend it with. Another invaluable concept is the power of patience and the compounding effect. Housel's anecdotes, such as the story of a janitor who quietly amassed an $8 million fortune through decades of disciplined investing, vividly illustrate these principles. The overarching takeaway? Building wealth isn't about complex strategies or chasing quick wins. It's about consistent saving, prudent spending, and prioritizing long-term freedom over fleeting gratification. This perspective also aligns with the principles outlined in J.L. Collins's The Simple Path to Wealth, which emphasizes simplicity: spend less than you earn, invest the rest, and let compounding work its magic. There are no shortcuts, it's a marathon, not a sprint. To broaden my perspective, I explored books tailored to specific audiences and regions, such as Pete Matthews' The Meaningful Money Handbook and Laura Waitley's Money, a User's Guide. These UK-focused books offer practical advice on budgeting, debt management, and retirement planning. For readers navigating the complexities of personal finance in the UK, these resources are invaluable, providing relatable examples and actionable steps to take control of one's financial future. As I progressed into more advanced books, I encountered foundational works like Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor and Peter Lynch's One Up on Wall Street. Graham's teachings on value investing and Lynch's emphasis on leveraging personal insights to identify winning stocks expanded my understanding of investment strategies. However, as I delved deeper, I experienced what is commonly referred to as the Dunning-Kruger effect, an initial surge in confidence followed by a humbling realization of the vastness of what I didn't know. Books by Howard Marks and Joel Greenblatt introduced me to advanced concepts, such as finding an edge in niche markets or exploring underappreciated opportunities. Yet, these lessons also raised a critical question: how much of investing success is attributable to skill versus luck? This led me to Burton Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street, a book that strongly advocates for low-cost index funds over active management. Malkiel's arguments are echoed by John Bogle's Common Sense on Mutual Funds, which underscores why index funds are often the best choice for average investors. Together, these books highlight a sobering truth: even seasoned professionals rarely outperform the market consistently. If there's one overarching lesson from my reading, it's that there is no secret formula to instant wealth. Investing is as much an art as it is a science, requiring patience, discipline, and emotional resilience. Even the most celebrated investors experience failures and setbacks. For those just starting, it's crucial to focus on the fundamentals, resist the temptation to overcomplicate things, and maintain a long-term perspective. As I reflect on this year-long journey, I realize that financial success isn't just about strategies or techniques, it's about cultivating the right habits, mindset, and approach to money. While I'm not rich yet, the lessons I've learned have already enriched my life in ways I hadn't anticipated. What about you? Have you read any of these books, or do you have recommendations that left a lasting impact on your financial perspective? I'd love to hear your thoughts, insights, and suggestions in the comments. Let's continue this journey together, sharing knowledge and empowering each other to achieve our financial goals. As always, happy investing!